In this video, I'll teach you how to level up your Lovable website so you don't have to worry about maintaining the site or unexpected errors. Plus, we will empower our Lovable website with automations using N8N and Interworky. And the most important piece, will add smart analytics that actually works through Interworky. By the end of this video, you will know how to level up your Lovable site to get the best out of your website with very simple tools. Here I have a simple portfolio website created with Lovable, basically just like an online resume that have my experiences, what did I work, my skills and education and whatnot, and have some links to external contact information like YouTube or GitHub or Medium account, and also a way for people to contact me through email. Now we want to take this website to the next level. We want to understand who is visiting. Can we add any automations to make people use the website better? And also, I don't want to spend a lot of time maintaining this website. I want to make sure it's gonna stays error free with all of the security vulnerabilities and whatever happens on the internet. For this, we're gonna shift to Interworky here. I'm gonna create an account. I'm gonna add my website here. Once the account is created, I'll land here in the landing page, and here I can add my website or I can update it. I already have it in the sign up, and it's my Lovable website, my portfolio website. So the second step is to integrate the plugin. For this, I'm gonna click View Tutorial, and I'm gonna change the platform here from Next.js to be Lovable. And here I can see the prompt. I can just copy it and send it in the Lovable chat. Now Lovable is updating my website by adding this simple plugin that will transform the website. Now back here, I'm just gonna open my website just to see it. I'm gonna publish my updates. I'm gonna open my website here. And if I go back to the home page here, I should see the website is connected. I can see the plugin status is connected, and I can enable the analytics, the performance monitoring, and so on. So I'm gonna enable the analytics to start off. And then if I visit here and just scroll down, I should see that analytics is updated and I have one user here, and this is it's coming from my location, and the traffic source is direct. Basically means that I put this in the URL, and you can see my location here in the Texas, Austin on the map.
So now that I have integrated my Lovable website with Interworky, I'm gonna come here to the customer support or the chat widgets and enable it. And this is basically where I can customize the view of the chat widget, which is basically an AI agent that's trained on my website, support voice and text mode, and can respond to any questions, just giving the users the same experience they get on ChatGPT. And what I did here is just I chose this circle view instead of the agent view, and the personality is funny. And I updated my welcome message to be thank you for visiting my website. And then this is kind of the first message, how can I help you? If I go to the capability, I added a capability that supports booking appointments on my calendar. And I have the voice mode enabled. I didn't really enable the collect email before chat, which can be also a good way to collect leads. The only capability that I have. I will link a video on how to do this with N8N so you can watch it and create a similar integration for the customer support to kind of give your agent more capability. So the agent right now lives on my website. It can answer questions in the text or voice, and you can see an example on interworky.com for the voice. Now, with this, the most important feature is the performance monitoring. So, the performance monitoring, in order to enable this, you have to connect your GitHub. And to do this, you have to go to Lovable and then export your project as a GitHub. And then here you will be prompted to connect your GitHub and then enable the AutoFix. What this does basically, let's say if you got any error or anything like this, it will basically generate a PR on GitHub, like a pull request with the fix waiting for your approval, or you can just copy the error once any error appears here, and then you can pass it in the Lovable chat and it will be fixed. And then the most important modules is the analytics, which basically give you kind of a picture of who is visiting your website, who's converting. You can configure also conversion by just asking Lovable to add a conversion CSS selector, or it can be a page on your website, and you can configure it here in the configure conversion. It's very straightforward and gives you a map. Where is your visitor coming from? And this is very helpful when you are trying to kind of make sure that you leveraging the best marketing techniques to get the word out there about your services or whatever your website provides. And that's it. Basically, you have three modules: the customer support, which is in this chat widget. You can add a lot of capabilities here with N8N. Check out the video for N8N tutorials. Also, it covers AutoFix. You don't have to worry about your website ever going down, make your website error free with this error dashboard, and the analytics, which is really important. If you're trying to get the word out about your website, you need to be tracking really the conversion funnel. This is super important to understand which visitors are coming to your website, which visitors are staying on your website or returning. This is very important, the consideration, and which visitors are converting. This is all have a free trial. You can start free and figure out if you like it or not. We are also happy to add any enhancements or custom features based on what you like. Please try it out and let us know your feedback. Thank you very much.